Hi, this is Jason over at Horrific Nightmares, and today I'm going to do a review for you for 1988's Ghost House. Now, Ghost House clocks in at 95 minutes and is directed by the late, great Umberto Lenzi, who was pretty famous in horror circles. He did movies like Eaten Alive and Spasmo and Cannibal Ferox and Seven Bloodstained Orchids and, movies like that. Now, I'm going to do this review a little differently today because I found that every time I tried to think of how to summarize the plot synopsis, I was giving away something that, in my opinion, would be more fun for the viewer, for you guys to find out on your own. So I'm going to read a little bit of the plot synopsis here. It says, your tour of terror begins with Ghost House, in which a group of visitors to a seemingly deserted home find themselves tormented by demonic spirits, including one particularly freaky little girl and her creepy clown companion. Soon, our hapless heroes find themselves powerless to conquer the evil of the ghost house. Now, this movie is connected to, well, let me start by saying the other name for this movie is called La Casa 3, and if you watched my review for Witchery, that was called La Casa 4. So in doing some research, I was trying to find out a little bit more about the line of movies, and apparently this is an unconnected sequel to Evil Dead 2, which I had no idea. So this would be La Casa 3, Witchery is La Casa 4, and there's another Scream Factory double feature, which features Metamorphosis, and Beyond Darkness, which is also called La Casa 5, which apparently I have to order and do a review for you guys, because I want to see it myself. Now, this movie is what I would call an everything, throwing in everything and the kitchen sink. Some of it kind of pays homage to Poltergeist, and if you watch the actual film itself, I think you'll know the parts that I'm speaking of. But there is just so much in this movie, so many little gags and special effects and all this kind of stuff, and I actually had quite a lot of fun with it. This was a first-time watch for me, as well as Witchery and Beyond Darkness will be as well. But I actually had a lot of fun with this, and I think I'm going to give this movie, when I thought about it last night, I was going to give it a 6.5, but I think I'm going to give this movie a 7, because although the acting's not great, the pacing's a little off at times, but it's just a lot of fun, and they put so much effort into this film. It was just a good time. So, I'm going to settle on a 7 for this movie, and I hope you guys like it. So, until next time, peace.